Okay, hello, my name is Clara Ivana Calderon Lopez. Today I am going to talk to you about my personal tips for learning English. In the past, I used to the name things in English. I used to take a piece of paper and write the name of the item or any object in the house in English and stick it on. This helped me to memorize the English name of the teams. That one frequents the most, and even my siblings and parents also learning. Um, I always use my cell phone and computer in English. I read articles and newspaper online that are in English. I like music in English. This helps me a lot of because it's you put subtitles, it records the pronunciations and the meaning. I practice verbs every day. I like to learn verbs at least two a day. I write down words that are difficult for me to understand. I use applications that help me practice English. They are programmed to meet a daily challenge and so on. Uh, in general, English is a language that requires constant practice. Unfortunately, Colombia is not an English-speaking country where we have relationships with the native English speakers who can provide use with their knowledge through interaction. So we need to practice ourselves with the tools we have available at the university, at the internet, at a booth, um, as anything, because you can practice English every day. In general, I recommend that you fall in love with the language since it opens many doors for us in the world of work. English is the second most spoken language because wherever you are and you speak English, you can communicate. Okay? So you must practice English every day, listen music in English, write little words, program your cell phone and computer, um, read a book, read a newspaper, view series, movies in English. Um, all the things that you can make from learn English is function. All function because the English is a language to the practice. Okay, thank you very much.